Hey everyone, I want to thank the brand for sending me their Citrus Scent Disposal Cleaner to try. It looks like we've got 24 tablets, which is a year's supply here. Oh, that's cool. I like how they do that. They've got a little like check mark so you can check the month and make sure that you've done it once a month. I'm sorry, twice a month for best results. And looks like each tablet is individually packaged. But how do we use it? Oh, right here. Okay. All right, ensure the disposal is empty. Run a full stream of hot water for 1 minute. Let's do it. Okay. Then reduce to a slow trickle, less than the width of a pencil. For single basin sinks, turn the faucet away from the drain. From double basin, run water in the non-disposal. We just got a single. Okay. See, we will unwrap it and place one tablet fully inside the disposal. Use 2 tablets for first cleaning or heavy residue, then run the disposal for 1 minute. If foam rises into the sink, continue running the disposal and water until the foam drains. All right, we can do that. We can do that. Let's do it. All right, I'm going to say it's been a minute. We're going to plop this down in here and slow it to a trickle. That looks about right. All right, it's going to get loud, people. Here we go. So basically, we're running this for 1 whole minute. All right, it's been a minute. We're gonna turn this off, and not too much foam. A little bit of foam came up, but not much, and it rinsed down right away. It is that easy to use. And again, love that we've got enough for an entire year right here. Twice a month cleaning. You can check it off as you go. Thanks again to the brand for sending me this. I would definitely recommend it.